This is all part of it.
Alright, so we're making a Neapolitan pizza. Making one here for Emo. So the idea, was made with yeast, so yeast produces a gas, CO2, carbon dioxide. And so it fills up in the dough, and it was puffy just now. I'm doing this, it's removing it, and I'm trying to push it out to the edge and make what's called a cornicione, like the crust. Here I'm just gently making it bigger and bigger. And I place, some people make it right back on there, but I like to make it here because it's just easier. Transferring it filled is more difficult than making it on the peel. This is the peel. All right. So first thing that goes on, some raw San Marzano tomato. I just squeezed them with my hands to break them up. I'm going to take a little bit off, just a bit too much. Take off a little bit more. Not much more though. Okay, there we go. And yeah, there's nice flavor. And next we're going to get, I'm going to get some Parmesan. Put some Parmesan next. And there we go. Get my grater out. There we go. And just grate some of this lovely Reggiano on. Parmigiano Reggiano. Here we go. Never too much Parmesan. Okay, I'm going to put some, this is fresh mozzarella. So it's a little bit different than the regular mozzarella that most people are used to. Oh, I'm going to put a little bit more. It's nice and soft. I make it with raw cow's milk, but this is a commercial one just out of convenience because I don't have any my own cheese right now. This is of course olive oil. And Emo said he wanted, so that is going to be a margarita pizza, but we're going to, on top of the margarita, we're going to add a little bit of mild Genoa salami. Yes. Is that enough? Salami, you want another piece?
That's good.
That's good? Okay. And that's it. And what we're going to do afterward, we're going to add some fresh basil leaf onto it. Because some people put it on before. It just, basically it cremates the basil leaf. We're cooking at 850 degrees roughly. So we're going to put that on after. We'll put one more piece of cheese on.
Why not?
Why not? There we go. Now we're going to go out. We're going to give it a little shake. A little shimmy to make sure it's sliding around because we want it to slide off.
Come on,
okay,
guys.
Here we go. So right now the current temperature in there is 885. Well, actually it's 945. It's way up there. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to close this down a bit. Just dampen it off, make it a little cooler. Alright, we're going to factor that heat in and watch the temperature and the cooking rate. It's going to be about 90 seconds for the whole thing. There we go. Ready to launch? Here we go. There we go. So we wait, we count to about 20, we check it, because this is a fast cook. So that's 10 seconds. Of course, these are wood pellets that we're cooking with today. There we go. How's that look so far?
Oh, amazing.
So we're just going to give it a little rotation. And back in. took a dozen or so basil leaves that are green and moist, because a lot of dry ones are the weather. We're going to go about 15 seconds, 14, 15. Just check out. You can always put it back in, you know, in this orientation. No, that's what you want. There we go. That's perfect. A little bit of like that is perfect.
Oh.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. That's a lovely smoke being produced today. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Why don't you take a shot inside? Okay, so here we go. See that nice leopard print forming? Put it back in. Right up against that nice beautiful flame. So if here's the bottom of it, it's that, you know, the pizza stone, I can't remember what it's called, M I think. And the top, the flame is you know, just kissing the top, flaring out because of the shape of the overall pizza oven.
I just ate part of a mint leaf.
Oh yeah, it's nice, eh?
I
That mint is good too.
haven't had a mint leaf in ever.
Okay, so we're almost done. Yeah.
But these are bad to have.
And there's seeds. Oh, there's more. Can you get a few more?
Yeah.
I got 3 times that much, if you don't
Oh,
mind.
okay.
Okay. You know what? We're going to take it out now. I think it's pretty much. Yeah, that looks nice, eh?
Oh, yes.
Okay, so I'm going to leave that be. We're going to go inside. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly clear off my cutting board. I should have prepped this for my mise en place, as they call it, but that's okay. There we go. And your mom is going to bring in some freshly picked basil leaves. Okay, that's enough.